Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday September the 24th 2022, there's in this newspaper no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles. This will be the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, September the 20th, 2022. Yes, we have 3 puzzles left. The Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. Yes, this one with 1 star. But first, let me start with the Letter Sudoku. And by the way, if I have some spare time today, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, there's also a Samurai Sudoku, but as you know, it will take me more than an hour to solve. So I needed spare time, otherwise it will be difficult. This one, the Letter Sudoku, will be number 5228. Yeah, 5228. And before I start, I always count the printed letters in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed letters. For Letter Sudoku, my time limit 15 to 20 minutes. Need more time than a regular 1-star Sudoku. I will need to be faster than 50 minutes, but Letter Sudoku, I need more time. Yeah, I need more time to solve. Alright, so let's get started. And the letters I can use are these letters, unique letters. Otherwise it will be difficult if I have double letters or more than of the same letter. So we have here the D, the I, the E, the U, the T, the B, the L, the S, and the O, and the goal is to solve this word in this column. Alright, so let's get started. We have I in the last column. We have I in this column, so the column between, only 3 places left for the I. Should be here, here, or there. We see an I in this row, so no I there. Here an I in the row below, so no I there. So the only place left for the I should be there. Alright. Okay, the D in the first column, the D in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the D. Should be here or there. You see here D in the middle row, so no D there. D should be there. D. Wait. Let me see. BB. We have a pair, I believe. The E and the B in the first row. The E and the B in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the E and B goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. E and a B, E and a B. Okay. O and the T, O T, and the D is missing. The D here. We have O in this column, O in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the O should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. T is missing and D is missing. T and a D. We have a T in this column. No T there. T should be there. And the D goes there. Alright. D in this row. D in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only 2 places left for the D should be here or there. You see here D in this column. No D there. D should be there. D in the last column. D in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the D should be here or there. You see here D in this row. No D there. D should be there. So 2 missing letters now. Those missing letters in this column are the letters B is missing and the E is missing. B and the E, B and the E. We have a B in this row. No B there. B should be there. Wow, excuse me. Wow, need to sneeze, excuse me. And one letter is missing in this column for letter E. So we found a word in 5 minutes. Wow, in 5 minutes. Cannot believe this. In 5 minutes I've solved this puzzle. The word in Dutch is studiebol. How can I translate it in English? In Dutch, studiebol, nerd. Study nerd. Yeah. It's a study nerd. Someone who can study. It's a study ball. Yes. All right, let me continue. 2 missing letters in the first row. For the missing letters, the U is missing and the T is missing. U and a T, U and a T. We have a U in this second column. No U there. U should be there, and the T goes there. Alright, U in the first row, U in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see a U in this second column. No U there, U should be there. Alright. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an O. We have an O in the third column, so no O in these 3 boxes here, and O in this row. No O in those 2 boxes, so the O could be here, could be there. O in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, O in the third column, so the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in the second row. No O there, O should be there. Then. Let me see. S. The I. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the I is missing, the S is missing, and the L is missing. ISL. Well, we have I and S in the second column, so no I and S in this box. The I and S goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left, 1 letter left in this big square for letter L. Alright. Okay. 2 missing letters in the second row for letters. I is missing and S is missing. I and S. We have an I in this column. No I there. I should be there, and S goes there. Alright. And now. And 2 missing letters in this column. Second column. Those missing letters are the E is missing and the B is missing in this column. E and a B. We have a B in this row. No B there. B should be here. And the E goes there. Alright. BB. E. Yeah, the E in this row, the E in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. Here or there, we have an E in the third column. No E there, E should be there. E in this column, E in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this row. No E there, E should be there. E. Okay. Then. How about the D then? The D in this column, the D in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the D should be there. Do we have all the D's? Yeah. And all the D's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter D. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters an I. We have an I in this row. So no I in this box. So the I could be here, could be there. That means we have an I in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So this box cannot be an I anymore. This box should be an S. and that box should be an I. All right. Okay. And T. L and a T. Okay. Then. Oh. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters an O. We have an O in this column, so no O in these two boxes here. No in this row, no in that box. So the O could be here, could be there. O in this row, O in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We have an O in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an O anymore. That box should be an O. Alright. Then. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the I is missing, the U is missing, and the L is missing. In this box, can be a U because we have a U in this big square, so no U there. This box can also not be a U. We have a U in this column, so no U there. So the only place left for the U should be there. So 2 missing letters now, the I and the L is missing, I and L. We have L in the first column, so no L there. L should be here, and the I should be here. So 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. L is missing and the T is missing. L and T. We have an L in the first column. No L there. L should be here. And the T goes there. TT, okay. How about you. You, T and blue L. T and L. Yeah. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters in U. We have a U in this row, so no U in these 2 boxes. So the U could be here, could be there in this big square. Here or there. You see an U in this column, so no U in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the U. Should be there. T in this row, T in that row. So the row be T in the middle row. The only place left for the T should be there. 1 box left in this middle row for letter. I believe the S is missing. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. B is missing and the L is missing. B and L. We have an L in this column. No L there. L should be here. And the B goes there. Now we have a B here. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the E and a B. We have a B in this column. No B there. B should be here. And E goes there. E in this column. E in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this row. No E there. E should be there. 1 box left in the last column for letter. The T is missing. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing. And the U is missing. Let me mark those. S-U. Okay. And now. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and the I is missing. S and I. We have an I in this column. No S, I there. I should be here, and the S goes there. So we have an S in this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the S goes together with the O as a pair. Alright. Okay. And now. The B in this row, the B in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in the first column. No B there. B should be there. Then. L and the T, L and a T, yeah. Two missing letters in the middle column. Those missing letters are the L is missing and the T is missing. L and a T, L and a T. We have a L in this row. No L there. L should be here and a T goes there. T in this column, T in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the T should be there. L in the last row, L in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the L should be here or there. We see an L in this column. No L there, L should be there. One box left in this column for letter U is missing. Yeah, U in this column, U in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the U should be there. U in the third column, U in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the U goes together with the O as a pair. U and O, U and O. We have a U in the last row. So here can be U anymore. That box should be U and this box should be an O. S and O, we have an O now. So no O there. O should be here and the S goes there. S and the U, we have a U now in the first in this row. So no U there. U should be here. And the S goes there. And two missing letters in this big square for the letters. S is missing and a T is missing. S and a T, S and a T. We have a T in this row. No T there. T should be here and S goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And we solved this in 60 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other two puzzles, the 2-star Sudoku and the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.